Okay, here she is. Our recently acquired 99 Honda CR-V. It is all-wheel drive, which is pretty sweet. It's got heated seats, pretty bomb little stereo. So, let's see what fun we can't get into with this thing. Okay, and we're back. So, as I said, heated seats. Interior's a little dirty, as you can see. Got some fucking weed stems. Pretty sure that's a fingernail. Kind of gross. So we're gonna get this baby cleaned out. But all told, the interior is actually intact, which is nice. Okay, as for the engine bay, not too bad. It's a little dirty. Probably replace the battery up here. There is some online talk about the head gasket leaking, which we are getting some of that. You know, that's all covered in oil. So we might do a head gasket. Other than that, probably do the headlights. One of them has been replaced. Admittedly though, this thing runs like a champ. Tons of pull. This actually pulls quite a bit more than you'd think. There we go. I've actually checked the coolant. Looks actually really good. The oil, also really clean, surprisingly. We're gonna do some voltage checks. We'll obviously clean, purge the brake master cylinder, get all the fluids out. And we'll do some stuff in the engine bay a little further along. But that's kind of an overview. Super stoked. Okay, all right. All right. Okay, so that's it for this video. We're gonna get set up and start plugging along on this thing, and thanks for joining. I'll see you in episode 2. Holla!